I chose a plant cell because of its fixed, geometric, and blocky shape. I believe that Minecraft's blocks represent this well.
Cells are more spherical than plant cells, which immediately caused a problem. In Minecraft, it is quite difficult and time-consuming to create a large sphere. So that things were a little easier, I started up a local host server that was running a few server plugins that would help with my building. Minecraft is written in a programming language called Java. This means that other people who know Java can write extensions to modify the game. This summer, I had learned to write some code that modified the game. Though I did not use any plugins that I wrote, with the plugins I used, it allowed me to create spheres, cylinders, and many other things. This helped me out immensely because it made the building go much faster. It was so easy to make these spheres that I shared a world file that had some spheres pre-made with Pete so that he could easily create his model as well. Even with this helpful tool, I still spent about 4 hours creating my cell model and the video that accompanied it.
The Minecraft materials I used to simulate the cell wall or membrane were glass for the cell wall and water for the cell membrane. I used glass for the cell wall because it is a rigid structure similar to the cell wall. I used water for the cell membrane because it is fluid. I also created a bow that would shoot flaming arrows. I used the flaming arrows to simulate viruses passing through the cell wall, but quickly would be stopped by the cell membrane. Another simulation I used was to create my Golgi apparatus out of redstone blocks. The purpose of redstone in the game is so that players have access to highly advanced logic-based wiring to set up cool mechanisms. The Golgi is an operating system that is similar to the FedEx of the cell. It takes in ribosomes, packages them, and sends them out to other organelles.
This shows the rough endoplasmic reticulum. It is rough because it has ribosomes on it. The function of the rough ER is it distributes proteins to the rest of the cell. I used this railroad track with a cart to represent the protein distribution process. Inside the cart are stakes to represent the proteins that are being distributed. Because I used Minecraft, I was able to show the movement of proteins throughout the cell by the endoplasmic reticulum.